Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Mike Foster here. This is an avocado. I have videos about avocados, how to eat them, but today I'm going to show you the fastest, simplest, easiest way to eat an avocado. It's so simple, you won't believe it. Check this out. So what you're going to do is take it and run the knife around it like this. As simple as this. Then you're going to twist it like that. Now here's the easiest part. Just put a little salt and a little pepper. And instead of touching anything, not taking it out of the shell, not using a knife to score it or to put it in the crosshatch, check this out. This is my new favorite way of eating an avocado. You take a spoon and you just eat it in its natural bowl. Check that out. Just like this. For you folks who still haven't gotten into the tremendous flavor of avocados, and not only that, it's one of the healthiest foods on the planet. You gotta try it this way. Let's get a close-up of that. It's this easy. Take the spoon and run it in there. And you can eat this whole thing with just a spoon, just like this. Today I showed you the simplest way to eat an avocado. And I need you to get out there and eat avocados. If you want to know the nutritional benefits, I have a link below. And for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same avocado name. Till next time, peace. I love avocado.
Live life 365. This is the easiest way to eat it. Just like this with a spoon. You, the avocado, the spoon, and the sweet little baby babu.